Get news fast. We're all operating at a mile a minute these days, and I'm so happy to have found a brand new tool that delivers me news that I can trust. That's important, but delivers it to me quickly. This tool does it, and I am seriously in love. Stay with me. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Saint-Malo. I'm in northern France enjoying some beautiful fall weather, and I'm excited for this video collaboration. I partnered up with Newsreels, a brand new app that I already love, and I know you're gonna love it too. How do I know that? Because you're like me and you want news fast. Nowadays, you also want news that you can trust, which, let's be honest, is not always readily available on social media. Enter Newsreels, a personalized news aggregator app that allows you to filter the news headlines according to the topics that you like from publications that you want. Newsreels gathers the stories that matter to you and saves you time by condensing them into easily digestible bullet points and videos. That's how it gets its name, Newsreels, because you can watch your news in trendy reels. Think news site meets TikTok. Short news reels, concise bullet points, updated in real time. I love bullet points and videos instead of long paragraphs because I'm more likely to consume it. And there's a reason micro content sites like TikTok have taken off, because people are busy and they want information quickly. So now's the time I'm going to show you this app up close. Let's take a closer look together. So we'll start here. On the main screen, you'll see once you've downloaded the app, you'll have the option to log in as a guest or with an email. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and just select guest. And in just a few seconds, it's already going to load the settings that's going to determine what news we see. So first, we're going to select our language. Obviously, my main language is English. I wish I could speak more languages, and if I could, I would select those right now. And that means that that's also going to show me news in those languages that I can speak. Now let's keep moving down here, and now we can select regions, places. This is one of my favorite features of Newsreels, because nowadays especially people are interested in getting news in, let's say, the country that they're based. So for me, I'm based in the US. I'm going to go ahead and select that as an option. However, it also can determine, it can actually see locations that I'm close to right now, which is so handy. At the time of recording this video, I am in northern France, very close to these cities listed. So for example, I'm also interested in getting news of things that are happening around the area where I am physically right now. Okay, so you can really customize this, and your newsfeed is going to be completely unique to you based on these very simple settings. Okay, so I'm going to keep on going down here to show you some of these settings. Newsreel says select at least 3 topics here. I'm sure you're going to want more than that. I'll select 3 that I'm really interested in. So technology, entertainment, let's keep looking here, business, gadgets, social, those are all things I'm interested in, and I can keep selecting different topics here that I find interesting, and that's going to give me a great start here to be really creating my own customized feed. And now I'm already starting to see news stories that are relevant and interesting to me. That literally took a matter of seconds for this app to start to curate a really well curated feed of stories that are likely to be interesting for me. Remember, the more time you spend in this app, the more it's going to learn about you, what you like, what you don't like, similar to social media sites like TikTok or Instagram Reels. The idea here is to be curating a feed that's going to really be giving you the news, trustworthy news that's going to be interesting, and it's going to help you get the news of the day in a way that's really easy to digest. I'll show you on this news story, for example, where I can click View More, and it's going to allow me to view the original article or show me related reels on that topic, as well as articles. Okay, so there's lots here. If I'm interested in getting more information on a particular topic, it's very easy for me to do that. So that is the Newsreels page. Let's move along to articles. Okay, here I can click something. for an example. And now you can see the bullet points, the nice, beautiful, quick summaries of the news story here. And if I want to view the full article, I can. I'm going to go back now and show you the remaining tabs within Newsreels. This is if I wanted to search something specific. Maybe for this example, I'll just type the country that I'm in right now. Right away, I can see channels, topics, places, reels. I mean, there's so much here that I can dive in if there was a particular topic that I was interested in exploring. They've got a really robust search feature here. And finally, I can jump over to the settings of my profile, and I would recommend spending some time in here really telling the app what you're interested in so that it can curate a valuable, personalized experience for you. You're not limited to just selecting those settings that I shared at the very beginning. If you ever wanted to change your settings, this is where you would go. Language, region, channels, topics, and so much more. This is going to be really handy for me given that my region and my places change on an ongoing basis as a digital nomad. So, for example, the next place that I am headed is Madrid. I can go ahead and add that as a country or a place, a city in this case, of interest. So that's the app. I think it's really simple and it's really exciting to be able to get your news in this format. We know people love this format. We've seen the rise of short form social media sites and micro content. And now you can get trustworthy news in the same format you probably already love. So that's Newsreels. Isn't it great? I don't bother talking about tools and apps that I don't like on this channel. I get excited when something lands in my inbox that I can actually use and incorporate into my workflow and something that makes my life better. And getting good news quickly is no exception. I think the thing I like the most about Newsreels is the ability to aggregate news from all over the world, which matters to me, and the ability to customize its features so you can choose which editions you want, which ones you want to see on a daily basis, like getting news on a global scale or news that's highly concentrated at a local or a community level. It's totally up to you. Every person's experience can be entirely unique on this app, and I think that's really cool. I'm linking to the app below. Go ahead and check out Newsreels for yourself. You're going to love this. And if you've got any other lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Hey, thanks to Newsreels for teaming up with me to make this video. It's been a lot of fun. Next, I'm sharing through a few videos that I think you're going to be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos that I mentioned, those are coming up next.